Hey my lovely foodies, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some sweet potato dinner rolls, ROMA'S kitchen style.
Can't cook. Think you you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
Okay, let's put everything together now. So first things first, I'm going here in my bowl with a half cup of milk. To this, I'm going to be adding in 2 beaten eggs. Next, I'm going in with a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to be adding in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Next, I'm going in with 2 1/4 teaspoon of dry active yeast. Next, I'm going to be going in with 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Then I'm just going to be whisking everything together. I'm just mixing until everything gets nice and combined. Next, I'm going in with a half cup of cooked mashed potato. Add that all in. I'm just going to mix everything together. The potatoes won't dissolve, of course, but I'm just breaking it down a little. Now I'm going to be adding to this the flour, and I'm going to be going in with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Now to get this together, I'm going to be going in with a little spatula. I'm just going to mix everything together before I start using my hand to knead this. Okay, that's good enough. Now I'm just going to use my hand to form a nice dough. You'll have a really sticky dough at this point, but never mind. Just keep kneading. Until you have something looking like this, then we can move to the next step in getting this not too sticky but still nice and soft. So you're going to need like a 1/3 cup more flour on a surface, a clean surface. Add your dough to it, and then you're just going to work your dough. And your dough should still remain nice and soft. Your dough has to be nice and really soft for you to get really nice and soft rolls. So from the get-go, you don't want to dry out your dough or anything like that. Keep it nice and soft. Now before this rests, I'm going to be adding to it 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use the oil of your choice. I'm adding some to the dough and the rest to the container. Then you just want to knead this just a little more now, just to get that oil all over, and spread it in the container. This is how your dough should be, nice and soft. And then you're just going to tuck the side to under to get a nice circle. Something like this. Place it in your container. And next, all you need to do is you can cover your container with a nice damped cloth, or you can use some cling wrap. But what's important is that you have to allow this to rest. So here I've covered mine with some cling wrap, and I'm going to leave this for 1 hour or until it rises. About that time it has doubled in size. You can just poke it with your fingers. Take your dough out so it's not sticking to the container. You don't need to put your dough now on any floured surface. Look at how nice and soft this is right now and smooth. I'm going to divide this up. You can divide this up into as many as you like. And once you divide this up, you just need to roll them. Roll them in circles, and then you put them in a nice greased container in which you'd like to bake them in. Take one piece, roll it into a circle, and you add it to your greased container. I divided mine in 14 pieces, so it's all up to you. This is how they are now. I'm going to cover these again, and I'm going to leave these for an extra 10 minutes to rise once more. This is how it looks now. Nice and ready to be baked. I'm going to bake this for 16 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. And voila! Look at these. So soft. The top is a little nice and crispy. Very nice. Sweet potato dinner rolls. And it's not just good for dinner, it's good any time of the day. Look at this, guys. Inside my rolls, super soft, yummy. You can have this with cheese, you can have this with mayo and cheese, you can also have this with chicken, baked chicken, jerk chicken, many things. Let me know in the comment section what you'd have this with. Of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, and visit my website at roma'skitchen.net. Until next video.